This is the second skill cue for stand number 8, advocacy. This is all about advocating for others, and our action word is voice. V, verify the need. O, organize your thoughts. I, identify how you can help. C, champion the cause. E, evaluate the impact. Along with learning how to advocate for our own needs, it's incredibly important that we learn how to advocate for the needs of others. Now, advocating for others can happen at many different levels. It can be as simple as stepping in and advocating for someone in a social situation at school, or it can be bigger, like advocating for something within your classroom or your school or your school district. Or it can go beyond that, and it can be advocating on, a state's or provincial or federal or global scale. There are so many different ways that you can advocate for others. And the steps of the voice skill cue can help you advocate at each of these different levels. So let's explore. So when it comes to advocating for others, we want to start by verifying the need. This is just us taking a moment to fact check what's going on, to dig a little bit deeper, to really understand the issue. After we've taken time to verify what's happening, then we can move to step 2, which is to organize your thoughts. This is where we pause and consider, hey, what's going on? What am I thinking? What am I feeling? And just really getting clarity of the situation. And from there, you can go to step 3, which is to identify how you can help. So you verified the need, you've taken time to organize your thoughts. Now you want to start planning, what is it that you're going to do? What role can you play in this situation? What's your plan moving forward? Once you have that plan, then we go to step 4, which is to champion your cause. This is when you take action and you use your voice to create change. Which leads us to step 5, is where we evaluate the impact. So we've put our plan into action, and this is where we step back and we really evaluate and consider, hey, was it effective? What worked well? What can I do different? And what needs to change as you continue advocating? So as you go throughout life, there are so many different ways that you can put the voice skill cue into action as you advocate for others.